How una deo, my people? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I want you to come along with me. Let's do some mini makeup. Let's do some makeup and I be snatched. I did not take you through the process, so I had already drawn my eyebrows. As you can see, they sharp. It's sharp well, and I already put foundation. See my skin. Skin like milk and butter. Okay, let's go to conceal, shape my face. I'm not sure of how to shape, but the Lord is my strength. I shall not want. Place it, okay. See as her eye they sharp. Okay. Then I place on my face. I place this concealer. As you can see, not too bright because my skin they black, like dark skin, chocolate skin. Okay, and I place it down there. I see all these people they place this bright color under eye to make it bright, popping. I want to pop like Charlie Poppy. Then I have this concealer stick, but the black was not blacking. It has to give a dark shade, but it was not. But regardless, we move. Jare, let's go. We have to snap picture. If you want to see the pictures, go to my Instagram. I'm going to leave the handle on the screen. Then I have this concealer which is darker. They say let me try to see if it will become darker. But I see the work. Well, regardless, I do not have what to do, so I go start blend. They tell me that if you want to blend them, you dey tap. Tap send, as if I dey tap send. But no problem. Regardless, I go tap. But my brothers, my sisters, if you get tap send, make you send me some small money. Make I go buy makeup ingredients. I dey shape my face. I dey put that color of bronzer. See as my face they shine. Okay, come along with me. Let's go. See. I've not yet even finished though, but my skin they sharp. Well. You cannot tell me nothing, cause I find like orishi. You get skill, baby girl. You get skill in tapping. Okay. I finished tap. I say let me snatch my nose. I'm not sure how to snatch nose, but let's try. Okay, and then I try to blend it. Okay, blend it. That stick was not working. And then I get my sponge. I say make I blend my skin. Make I not look cakey. Okay, and then I add, that is lipstick, but I added it such that my cheeks can be colorful. Okay. Yes. Not bad. We shall get there. Not bad. So I tap it. I first admire myself a little. Fine girl. Okay, and then I put some bronzer. I put some shine. I want to shine. I want my cheeks to shine. But the way they put it, yourself up, they rush too much. Okay, then I put some powder on the parts where I put the concealer. Yes, I place some powder. It's good. See, make I draw my lips. So see as I place this eye pencil, but my lips do they shine, do they succulent, do they do pounds and dollar. If I catch you like this, okay, then I place some red lipstick in the middle. See if I no look, and I go make new hair. Getty. Na. You see as I final. Leave it down in the comment section. How do you like my final look? I fine. How do you love my mini makeup? Nothing too much. Like, share, and subscribe for more amazing videos. Bye bye. I too love you, my people. Bye bye.